Hi guys, this is Holy Fire. I want to share with you um, my favorite 15-minute binary options strategy. It's a very easy strategy to follow and it's pretty accurate. I was able um, to build my one of my accounts uh, to 7 times of my deposit in 4 weeks. I mainly traded this strategy here. I traded for 2 hours a day, mostly London sessions, sometimes 3 hours a day, but then I'm done. And this is this is a beauty. I tell you, this is really a beauty for a strategy. So what we have here, this strategy consists of two indicators. One is the value chart, the other is a CCI divergence indicator. I used this 2 times on my chart to generate more signals. One is with the value of 20, one is with the value of 40. Value chart is set to 7, -7 for overbought, oversold. So first thing is what we do is we wait for an alert from the value chart indicator. Then we go to the screen, watch the chart. As you can see here, price hit the daily resistance 2 here, and then after this candle opens, this arrow will appear. This arrow is one candle late, but it will appear as soon as this candle opens. It's not that it will appear when this candle is down here, so we will have no profit from this indicator. I tell you, this arrow and this alert from the CCI will appear when this candle opens. And even if, as we can see here, if price moves against us, I would say 90% of the time when we have a confirmation from the value chart and this candle opened with a CCI alert, this divergence will be respected. I tell you, this is pretty accurate. So we would get the alert that we have a CCI divergence here. Maybe this candle has moved against us for the first 2 minutes. I would have taken an entry even if this candle has gone green, because from my experience, I would be pretty sure that it will go down for the end of the candle. So next example is here. Candle went down, CCI went off, candle closed, the CCI alert would go off, we would take a call option and we would be nice in the money. The reason I trade this on 50 minutes is with 50 minutes you can enter into the next candle. With 5 minutes, the entry time for the next 5 minutes has passed, because this opens as the alert will always appear with the candle closed, and the 5-minute window to enter here will will be closed. You could use a fixed 5-minute expiry on such setups if you trade from the 5-minute time frame. But this for me is too busy. I prefer to just keep it rolling, just sit there, waiting, drinking a coffee, surfing some Facebook, and when the alert goes off, I switch to my charts and my broker and see what is happening, and if there's a trade, I trade. So you don't have to sit there like a sniper your body full of adrenaline, like you do with 60 seconds or 120 seconds options. This is really easy. And as you can see, this is one chart G2B USB, and we have this would have been 4 or 5 hours for one chart for 3 setups. You get enough setups during a day. You don't need to have 10 setups a day. I tell you, my goal for a day is 3 winners, and it's pretty easy to achieve with this strategy. Let's move back a little. So here you can see value chart is overbought. You get the alert with this candle. This candle opens, CCI alert goes off. We enter the trade. This would have gone against us. This arrow might have disappeared, but we would have entered nevertheless. Because this plus this, I tell you, 90% of the time the candle will come down. Vice versa, it's still up for a call, like here. This is a nice double confirmation from the CCI divergence indicator. Value chart overbought. Both indicators went off when this candle closed. Enter for 50 minutes. Nice winning. Does the CCI divergence indicator retain? Yes, it does. That's why I use the value chart as a confirmation. That's why I would say use pivots, use support resistance indicators, use Fibonacci lines to have confluence so that you can trade with confidence. But for me, honestly, this is the most easy, most relaxed, most profitable strategy, trading style I have ever encountered, and I use it in combination with the trading access system, but just this system alone generates some really, really good trades, so I can share it freely here, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you can have some success with it. I found it working best with gold and the Australian